Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing an extra $100 in your account, money you made while you slept. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, what if I told you it's totally possible, and you don't need any prior experience to do it? Hey everyone! Welcome back to Finance Navigator, your go-to channel for making, saving, and investing money the smart way. Today, I'll break down 5 realistic ways to make $100 a day online, even if you're a complete beginner. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start making money online today. Let's get into it. 1. Freelancing. Sell your skills. First up, freelancing. This is one of the fastest ways to start making money online. And no, you don't need to be a pro at anything. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour let you offer skills like writing and editing, graphic design, social media management, video editing, even simple tasks like virtual assistants or data entry. But here's an untraditional twist. Instead of offering the usual services, why not leverage AI-powered skills? You can get paid to use ChatGPT to write articles, product descriptions, or resumes for clients. Create viral TikTok Reels content for businesses. Yes, people will pay for this. Moderate Discord communities, especially in gaming, crypto, and Web3. Sell personalized AI-generated video messages on platforms like Cameo or Fiverr. And the best part? Many people start with zero experience. Just learn the basics from YouTube or free online courses. Charge $10 to $50 per gig, and with just a few clients, you're at $100 a day. Quick tip. Start with low prices to build reviews, then increase your rates as demand grows. 2. Affiliate marketing. Earn while you sleep. Next, affiliate marketing. This is where you promote products and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. You don't need your own product. Just sign up for Amazon Associates. Earn from everyday products. ClickBank/Digistore24. Promote digital products with high commissions. Share a sale and impact. Work with brands directly. Most people do this through blogs or YouTube, but here's how you can think outside the box. Post affiliate links on Pinterest. You can create simple product pins that drive sales while you sleep. Use Reddit, join niche communities, answer questions, and subtly recommend a product with your affiliate link. Sell AI prompt ebooks. Create a small guide on 100 AI prompts for YouTube growth and make money both from the ebook and affiliate links inside. Promote high-ticket B2B software. Instead of selling $10 Amazon items, why not refer businesses to ClickFunnels, Jasper AI, or HubSpot, where one sale could make you $500 plus? By shifting your focus to underused platforms and high-ticket programs, you can reach $100 per day much faster. 3. Selling digital products. Want to make money without shipping products or talking to customers? Try selling digital products. Here are hot-selling digital items you can create once and sell forever. Ebooks, guides, how-to books, Notion templates, productivity business, printables, planners, journals, AI-generated art, presets, or stock photos. Most people sell ebooks or templates, but let's go deeper into some profitable, untraditional digital products. Pre-made Notion workspaces, business dashboards, budget planners, or trading journals. AI resume and cover letter generators, a plug-and-play resume that auto-generates a polished resume with AI. Online betting and trading spreadsheets, high-demand niche that helps people track sports bets or crypto trades. Ready-to-launch SaaS templates. If you know basic coding, you can sell pre-made SaaS business templates for entrepreneurs looking to launch a startup fast. Pro tip: use free tools like Canva, Notion, and ChatGPT to create these digital products with minimal effort and list them on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. Just a few daily sales equals $100 per day or more. 4. YouTube automation. Want passive income without showing your face? Enter YouTube automation. You can start a faceless YouTube channel where AI or freelancers create videos for you. You use stock footage and voiceovers. Monetization comes from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Most people know about faceless YouTube channels, but here are some unconventional channel ideas that actually work. AI-generated fiction audiobooks. Use AI voiceovers to narrate horror, sci-fi, or true crime stories and monetize with YouTube ads plus Patreon. Stock market and finance recaps with AI. Use ChatGPT to summarize market trends and pair it with affiliate links to investing platforms like Moomoo and Webull. Trend analysis and meme breakdown channel. Go viral by breaking down TikTok trends and explaining why they work. $0 to 1,000 journey content. Document your money-making journey like growing a YouTube channel from $0 to $1,000 a month. People love following the process. Monetization potential. Just 5,000 daily views can equal $100 per day, and if you add affiliate links and digital products, it scales even faster. 5. Dropshipping and print on demand. Last but not least, dropshipping and print on demand. With dropshipping, you sell products without holding inventory. Use Shopify plus Zendrop/Spocket to source trending items, set up a simple store, and run TikTok or Instagram ads to get sales. For print on demand, sites like Printful, Redbubble, or Teespring let you sell custom t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases without ever touching inventory. But instead of selling the same boring products, try these unique strategies. Digital dropshipping. Instead of physical products, sell Canva templates, Notion workspaces, or AI-generated planners with instant delivery. Hyper-niche meme merch. Find inside jokes from niche Reddit groups or trending TikTok phrases and put them on shirts. AI-personalized jewelry and gifts. Sell custom necklaces, bracelets, or engravings where AI generates unique designs based on the buyer's preferences. Hyper-local print on demand. Sell city, state-specific merch like Best Dad in Dallas shirts, targeting local Facebook and Instagram ads for high-converting traffic. With just 1 or 2 daily sales, you're at $100 profit. And once you scale, the sky's the limit. Choose one and take action. Alright, now that you know 5 real ways to make $100 a day online, here's what you need to do. 1. Pick one method. Don't try to do everything at once. 2. Set a small goal, like making your first $10. 3. Stay consistent for at least 30 days. And remember, the secret to making money online isn't finding a method, it's taking action. Even if you start small, small wins add up. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more money-making tips every week. Comment below. What's your favorite method?